Machita namaGrootman, uBruce Vuma, uBrendan Peterson noFiacre Ntwari khange balisebenzise ithuba lomhlaba ukuba yi-number 1 goalkeeper yeKaizer Chiefs. What a big opportunity. Lamachita khange alisebenzise lithuba. Balitye namankazana. Abanokhala bathi khange balifumane ithuba. Balifumene ichance khange bayithathe i-opportunity ukuba ise gloves zeKaizer Chiefs ibe zezabo. Ifans zibone kwanela ngoku. And ifans zeChiefs once zaba grand nguwe zonela nguwe akhulula for uba ziphinde zitshintshe. Bayakuseza ukucemile zicemile nje uzikudelethile asoze ziphinde zijike, especially if uyi-goalkeeper. Kule video ngizothetha ngolawe ngoDiwiji Diarra, uStanley Nwabali, Sage Stevens, Ronaldo Lina, Darren Johnson noToaster Ntabatha. I-reports ziyaphuma nakanjani, and kuzo zonke reports ziphumayo yena thola yona reliable source. Yazi kule channel ndakhetha ukwenza lo way bayisenoni manjonge i-reliable source enithembileyo ene-reputation e-grand. If bayithini and kamnandi le report le source i-reporta nge-favorite futhi for uba Kaizer Chiefs mayisayine i-favorite apha kule list ezi goalkeepers zi-6 ndinazo apha zoringa ngazo vandag. Ayikho easy le way ureplace i-legend nayiphi na i-club. Ungabuza ne-Orlando Pirates after uMonique Joseph Pirates i-fans zazathwala idlanza enhloko kusezibone zigibisela zithuka ugoalkeeper. Kwathi gqi uLanuza uSipho Chayini sebencamile amajita. Kaizer Chiefs ithi English bayise kunzima ulawe to fill big shoes, and uthumele nkhona le legend lawe best ever in South African football history, goalkeeper best ever keeper in South African football history mbethu. Inja Mathambo le awukhona and akho easy for example replace umjita. The first goalkeeper bayijonga i-superstar, bajonga the biggest superstar in South African football kwi-peers zakhe isikhathi sakhe ibe i-goalkeeper awukhone ayinja Mathambo. But ke kusengoku ibhola iyaqhubeka and isejonga i-players aziphili azidlali for ubomi bazo zonke. I-goalkeepers okanye mandithi i-club zine longer history ne-life more than i-players ne-coaches. Masingena apha kule list bafethu ingabe ndiyitsala kakhulu ndidonsa kakhulu. So le list ye-6 goalkeepers i-1 ereportiweyo and then zi-3 up with reports in terms of ilawe reporting news. My 3 amajita kuthiwa Kaizer Chiefs kuse iwabhekile wajongile bala ngawo. And then mina ne-3 yami qombe isejonga nansi talent egrand. And kusebafethu ungalibali ukuthi bayise Kaizer Chiefs ayizosayina goalkeeper oyi-1 futhi. Amasona goalkeeper bayi-2 mina nditsho. If kusayisayina goalkeeper bayi-2 iyabhanqa. Ayikho serious nika isayine 2 goalkeepers ku situation itsho. And kulamajita khoyo ngoku uzovaya 1 ohamba 2 at least 2 apho uhamba 2 I don't think uzohamba goalkeeper oyi-1 aba Kaizer Chiefs. Number 1 kule list and nguye kuthiwa mjida i-favorite for Kaizer Chiefs mayimsayine serious ngaye. Ningalibali kuse uLanuza ushaya support bafethu nje ushaya u-like apha ezantsi okanye if eqala udibana channel ushaya subscribe. Number 1 nguDiwiji Diarra, una 30, imali international, udlala ki-Young Africans umjita. I-profile yakhe intswimpu and talent yakhe i-grand, experience yakhe i-grand. Umjita at age of 30 udlale club yakhe esibini le. Before le wadlala i-Giants zasemali i-Stade Malien. So uyazi pressure nangoku udlala ki-Young Africans eTanzania. Une-connection ne-history noNabi and une-trust from uNabi. Umshita i-pressure i-big club uyayithola ngoba udlala i-Giants imali and nangoku eTanzania udlala i-Giants. Une-experience udlala i-CAF Champions League, in-experience udlala i-CAF Confederation Cup. Ibalekile lo experience and umshita kudala ba-international. Oqala u-under 20 ki-imali, under 23 and then ngoku i-senior una-61 caps for imali. And so yazi mara sekugcwele i-superstars adlala e-Europe. So umjita i-character yakhe ne-confidence yakhe ile ifunekayo for uba kusejonga uzongokhipha we-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs. So yonke le mjita kuseyazitikisha i-box ezininzi. And i-modern goalkeeper like oqala umjita une-goalkeeping talent, idlanza zakhe zimnandi and kusenenyawo zakhe zimnandi. Ibalekile lo way umjita uziphethe zo way. Xa umjongile angokukhipha kusekuba uyajonga seyi-height yakhe iyijonga umjita isezobethe Kerofin and isikhathi isibhaya futhi izona best goalkeepers ayizizwe kuse Machida aGroot ubone kuse Omtyobo John Ronan Williams kuse unjani nokhune height kakhulu yengekuba yiyajo nganyisa John Sipho Chayine so nale out kuse iphakwe kweza height and then Umchita na also ilaluza isibanjile kuse character and confidence yakhe like top level out esithembileyo and in the character commander i-defense Kaizer Chiefs ifuna lo way base ukhipha onomlomo sewudikayo uyilawe ki-defenders and wengqolayo futhi sayalo we Mchita unayo lo way uDiara and ne-personal life is solid futhi ukuziba kuse angathembeka Umchita oqala xa ifike eJoburg Umchita akazofika kuseyathuso zilights ebusuku public sibone kuseyajujwayela ama media efuna uba ngapha ngapha le out isuka ki big city eMali iBamako and kuse Umchita une religious discipline Umchita Islams Umchita and kuse family guy une fro yakhe plus nencosi and ibalekile le way for bakuse xa usayina umuntu uzothola umuntu ese reliable and kuse une commitment le out and in stability food in terms of the club in ready for ulawe kuse new environment ngoko Umchita ufike kwi Young Africans ngo2021 so ngoku ready for a new challenge and kuse uyakwazi ba stable be committed to play K1 so ya Kaizer Chiefs ingathi izomthola Umchita and izothola goalkeeper eGrand futhi next upper list yami ilawe choice yami lenze zaphinde ndize le wonye ukhipha oku reports media reports ba Kaizer Chiefs bajongile but next upper list yami is ba uncover reports but Kaizer Chiefs mayingalahli Sage Stevens weStellenbosch FC top talent but ismoko Umchita na 33 but ke kukhipha sismoko eso anqondi ukhipha isexa una 33 usenayo enye 3 seasons ngadlala bena 36 37 38 yo yakukhipha abafeature yazi kuse Olanduza ngubani so unyanga ngibona ngapha unyanga sengale 38 39 Andre Arendse I think Arendse wafika 40 so ukhipha na 33 like ayithethika ngako lo way Sage Stevens na 33 ngoku ndaba experience and kusemjela international bafana ngoku and yena unlike abantu abafana noDiara akazube kudinga kuse i work permit okanye kuse i foreign sport apha eteamini South African le bafana international and isengoku ukwi quarter finals CAF Confederation Cup so una African experience udala Umchita esiza futhi kusesoka iSwallows amaZulu na Cape Town City and then apha kule league yethu eyazi league yethu kuse Umchita na 200 games apha ki Betway Premiership ulanduza maybe nyewe Umchita naye ayizodlanza qhaba okay John goalkeeping talent umnandi enyaweni if unqamile uyakuthena bona ngazungqamile ngafaka nembobo le imnandi enyaweni similar to Osipho Chayine no Ronan Williams opportunity and Kaizer Chiefs seyisukwenza ibusiness eStellenbosch bayakwazi kuse ukukhuluma ibhisarhethi dala benza ideals bangathola bangenza even nelanu ne swap deal ba iStellenbosch kuse mhlambi ngamthatha back umuntu ofana noQuinika okanye kuse Ashley Dupree okanye kuse usibongiseni iMthetho so Chiefs ngakwazi ukwenza ideal eGrand apho no for example Sage Stevens top quality goalkeeper obviously kuse uVukali Umchita ngose Joburg so i homeboy ese Joburg Kaizer Chiefs my goal Sage Stevens and noba yabo phinde bekhona because Kaizer Chiefs ayizosigna one keeper most bafethu because kuse enjoying uNtwari yavaya and no nalana uzo Peterson ngavaya because kuse nabo Machida bazabona ba Kaizer Chiefs xa iphinde sign goalkeeper ana chance no future mina ke semanthethe ne agent yami mayinthola enye club so A1 izo release and A1 izofuna itransfer kwizazithu uNtwari Peterson plus novuma but kuse Machida angikona bazovaya ama3 but kuse at least 2 izovaya so kwaba keeper bazofika Kaizer Chiefs abakhona umuntu afuneka beGrand for uba i-second choice bawukhithi uzolinda isikhathi sakhe sizobona Sage Stevens favorite yami mfethu in Kaizer Chiefs nayo ayizube idinga umuntu kusezo adapt South Africa kwenye kwathini ufuna work permit kuse uyamfaka nesecofa play and then number 3 apha list i-reports zithi Kaizer Chiefs ijonge international seZambia uToast Nsabatha naye kusewumjita ipressure uzokwazi uhandlisha ngoba kusewune big club experience udlala big clubs eZambia iZesco plus neZanaco isudlala nase-SA badlala iSekhukhune United so uyazi kuse-South Africa uyazi what to expect naye una 30 nothing ngabe 35 le out kwenye 33 uToaster ankosho but so over 30 umjita the possible effect. But I think that's 35 man it's and it's goalkeepers ayaba fit ziweza khona weze goalkeepers emarket goalkeepers injalo the best goalkeepers kusezi phakla age so nguToaster lo ulanduzile obviously naye kuse Zambia international and ziyazi ukuthi tamloni londo in terms of experience ne character yakhe ne confidence also xa isuka kwiZesco kwi big club nekizanako seyazi bakusethi ukuthini lo way. And then number 4 kwi list mjita naye kusekudala kuthethwa ngaye in terms of the Kaizer Chiefs. Siyamazi sonke ngokuStinley Nwabali Nigeria International le out isena 28 le out and isena no2 single experience ngayo 28 yadlala like say Giants Nigeria eNimba yadlala ne top 6 clubs apha like iWiki ne Riding nola team iLobby Stars like bone sesi Super Sport Cape Town City so like these top 6 clubs apha and say yeah mjita into experience for 28 international in Nigeria obviously gala na World Cup qualifier gala na AFCON so I character and confidence yakhe bona ayiqoqi uyakwazi ucommander ila with defense and yeah South African football gala Chippa United umjita yazi Kaizer Chiefs yazi culture and tradition so Stanley Nwabali kusenaye engaba yila nuzi kuse option e-grand for Kaizer Chiefs qha kuse usunoba inyuko umjita ngoba indoni iChippa yamnika contract entsha I think last season kanye ngoba iqala le season same story final out ngobethra ngayo ngoku yeStellenbosch bisane contract entsha last year uSaid Stevens so Kaizer Chiefs afuneka ihayile okanye yenze swap deal so Stanley Nwabali number 5 kilist yam pure talent ke ngoku number 5 number 6 zi pure talent ke ezamajita anga analyze ka grand okay majita njani enyaweni but say in terms of goalkeeping talent yeah majita talent ekhajo and say if you're joining apho usuka khona futhi uzazithola if you landele diskela PC number 5 wam ulanduza nguDarren Johnson umjita number 2 kaNwabali Chippa United inswembu lo nguDarren Johnson and if Kaizer Chiefs amsign umjita akazobana problem yoba okay mabe number 2 already kuse umjita una 27 which is age grade uyazi basenase isikhathi sona ina nge10 years ejo and so talented even ngoku lo mjita usuka phi so eKamba yela Cape Town Spurs academy phaya ukhulule phansi abazokhipha abapha abafethu and kuse seyazi bakuse amakhipha abangamaqheya bayenza lewe ngajonga history ye South African football out iqheya so Cape Town Spurs abafethu uyayazi bakuse jonga imnandi ehlanzeni nguDarren Johnson lowo Kaizer Chiefs funeke ikuse imjonge umjita and then kuse again enye out na similar profile Sekhukhune United uRonaldo Lina naye semjita liqheya laseKapa unandi enyaweni so une goalkeeping talent qha pure Sekhukhune United ngokusuka phi so Cape Town Spurs ekamva ngesikhathi si1 nale ngqothela ngayo uDarren Johnson if eksebubukele match Sundowns ilawe kula 16 quarter final iNedbank Sundowns seyaphansi awina pha Darren Johnson iphethe emantsantsa eSundowns kuse by man of the match umjita first start yakhe play season leya kuse first choice bingekho Darren Johnson first start of the season against Sundowns yo mjita angathiwa wenzela ngapi 9 kwenye 8 saves la game Sundowns yascora I think ngelo extra time ulawe kuse uRonaldo Lina wayengafuna uva 4 goal umjita by man of the match la game so suka eKapa seniyazi bafise elikhaya semjita so ke Spurs yazi bese talent yakhe injani and kuse akho question marks qha ngambona masemjita njani enyaweni mina umjonga crane banjani enyaweni so yenye kuse itarget Kaizer Chiefs afunyange ilahle ilahle futhi nangu uRonaldo Lina isenamjita angaba second choice ngoba kusendoni second choice napha Sekhukhune ukuthi ngusangare first choice yapha Kaizer Chiefs 6 goalkeepers bafethu I think nakanjani at least one up izofika Kaizer Chiefs nakanjani apha list of 6 and then enye isibini if you say negotiations via grand and then if Kaizer Chiefs iphele iloser bofu ngathi iloser because oma 3 lamajita keep up Chiefs awukho grand kuhamba 2 Chiefs niki sign ya 2 mana phakule list nakanjani phakule list e6 lena and then Kaizer Chiefs nikisani ithuna kanjani apho kanye bakhona abanye okhipha afeni bacingayo basincola lapha i-comments mara kuse le list ngithembile and kuse at least A1 yayo izoba Kaizer Chiefs next season zeni izithole ngale bala ushaya ilawe support bafethu anicenge marana ngo-KFC nishaye nje ulike apha ezantsi okanye support i-channel ujoin i-channel subscribe if you're called to the channel ungaphosa uziwezi grand ungalahli moja bafethu